how to clear Spotify queue. Firstly, you need to open up your Spotify selection. Then when you get up onto that file, what is the most important thing? Firstly, go open up a song selection, which is right from here, from your playlist. Go tap on your playlist selection to see which side it is selected on that file. I will just go for this playlist and just go here, one of these song, yeah, and just go to that playlist, tap on the name on it, and right from here, guys, if you want to simply check over and add to queue, you can simply, yeah, as you can see, it has been added to queue. Now, for example, if you want to clear that selection from that queue side, and yeah, for example, till I collapse, and if I tap on that selection and if I open up that side, from here, as you can see, it doesn't show me an option which is called by getting or simply taking off that selection. Or if I go, for example, on my band, and if I tap on that song, and if I go on the three dots right here, as you can see, I don't have that option to take off or simply clear from the queue. Why is this on that selection? Because you don't have the latest version of Spotify, and I need to mention that you need to get the new version on it, because this is a new version with the new feature, which is for getting that queue clearing or simply adding on that selection. Now, guys, if you want to simply check over your queue system, you need to have the latest version of Spotify, as I said, and then you're going to be available for that.